Hello, this is Chaz McNell with Realty One Group MVP, coming to you today from Leawood Lakes, this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's on a lake, great condition, move-in ready. Feel free to call me for a private showing at 239-272-4442. Beautiful open kitchen. You can see this property and all my other properties, as well as those properties on MLS at www.chazmcnell.com. If you need mortgage assistance, feel free to reach out. I've been doing mortgages for about 28 years as well as real estate for 29 plus years. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share them with a friend. Feel free to call me anytime at 239-272-4442.